Hi, my name is Thomas Legavin. This is my video for my EDSU 530 class. Today we're working on a SDAIE strategy. Welcome to my school. As you can see, my students are ready to go, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the SDAIE strategy that I picked was the Think, Pair, Share strategy, which I think works really well with science. We're able to have our students build a hypothesis. We're able to pair them up in their lab groups, work on that hypothesis and build it together, and then run an experiment and prove their hypothesis, whether it be right or wrong. And in this time, what we're going to do is I'm going to go over a lesson on genetics. And so here we go. Welcome, class. I'd like everybody to go ahead and have a seat. Get quiet, eyes up so I know everybody's ready. Once we get started, we're going to go over a new strategy today. Our strategy today is going to be the Think, Pair, Share strategy. Has anybody heard of the Think, Pair, Share strategy? Yeah, some of you have, some of you haven't. Fantastic. Well, in the Think, Pair, Share strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and give you a topic to think about. Once you think about that topic, I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to jot down some answers to that topic. And then what we're going to do is pair you guys up. You're going to go over the things that you jotted down. You're going to come down to one list. And when we get that one list, we're going to go ahead and share that with the class. Another portion of our lesson today is we're going to have a worksheet on Punnett squares. And we're going to take that worksheet and we're going to go ahead and work with that. And we're also going to share that at the end of class as well. Okay? All right. So does anybody know what genetics are? Great, we've been going over genetics, and we're going to go ahead and build on that today, okay? So the word that I'm going to give you today, we're going to give you the topic of human traits. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to go ahead and jot down as many things that you know about human traits within 2 minutes, okay? Does anybody have any questions on what human traits are? Kelly? Yes, so brown hair is a human trait. Okay, so I want you guys to take 2 minutes, jot down as many as you can, and then when you're done, I want eyes up so I know everybody's ready. Okay? Go ahead and start. Okay, fantastic. 2 minutes are up. Eyes up so I can see everybody. Great. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and pair up with your lab partners. We're going to go over that list, and you guys are going to make one list. Okay, I don't want anything that is duplicate on that list. And then we'll go over that in class and we'll share, okay? All right, so go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and give you 2 to 3 minutes to go ahead and share, to build that one list, okay? All right, so go ahead and start. All right, so your list should be finished, right? Okay, everybody eyes up? Fantastic, thank you. Okay, so who wants to go ahead and share first? Okay, Bobby and Kelly, go ahead and share with some of the things on your list. Okay, great. Blue eyes, brown hair, tall. Great, these are all human traits. Fantastic. Okay, thank you guys for sharing. We're going to go ahead and get into the next portion of our lesson, and that's going to be our Punnett squares. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hand out all of our Punnett squares. And we're going to work through this worksheet while I come around the class to make sure that everybody has had a chance, that we know that what we're doing, we're doing it well. Okay? All right, so go ahead and start on those Punnett squares, and I'm going to walk around. All right, when everybody's finished with your Punnett squares, what I want you to do is I want you to take those human traits and the genetics that you think that you might pass down to your children, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to build a child today. All right, what I want you guys to do is have fun with this project. You guys are going to go ahead and you can draw something if you'd like to show what your child might look like. What color hair, what color eyes, are they going to be tall, are they going to be short, have whatever you think that your child is going to come out through your Punnett squares, okay? Fantastic. All right, so who wants to go ahead and share first? At this portion, the kids are going to go ahead and share what their idea of their child was, with the genetic traits that were passed down through their Punnett squares, and we're going to have some fun with this in our class. Thank you very much.